Hello children, today's topic is importance of pH in everyday life. Plants and animals are pH sensitive. Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. Living organism can survive only at the narrow range of pH. You know already acid rain. Acid rain is acid rain due to the pH value of 5.6. That is why it is called acid rain. When acid rain flows into the water or rivers, it lowers down the pH value of river water. So, the survival of aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. Plants also require the specific range for their healthy growth. Second importance, children, you know already for digestion purpose our stomach secrete hydrochloric acid, and due to the excess of secretion sometimes we feel stomach pain or irritation due to indigestion process or problem. To get rid of this pain, we used to use mild base or antacid. And antacid is actually magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia, which used to neutralize the excess of acid, that is hydrochloric acid, which is produced by stomach. Next importance, pH change is also a cause of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth lowers down up to 5.5. Tooth enamel, which is made up of calcium phosphate, start corroding when the acids are produced by the bacteria, and these bacteria are produced by the degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. So, it is always recommended by our elders, we should always rinse our mouth after eating any food. So, due to this purpose, the toothpaste which are made should be generally basic for cleaning teeth and can neutralize the excess of acid and prevent tooth decay. Next importance we are going to learn, children, self-defense. Self-defense by animals and plants. It is actually through the chemical activity or chemical warfare. Bee stings leave an acid which is called methanoic acid or formic acid, and this is the reason to produce pain and irritation on the stung area. If you apply mild base like sodium bicarbonate over the area, it will give you relief. Stinging hair of nettle leaves also inject methanoic acid or formic acid to cause burning pain. To get relief, we should apply the base over the area and it will be relieved. Thank you, children. I will be sending you notes for this topic as well as for the next topic, that is classification of salt, shortly. Thank you.